Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel Oral Health Management by Dr. Alka Khade. Today we will discuss about the lip biting habit. Many people bites on their lips when they are anxious. However, some people having this habit that impacts on everyday life. People with this nervous habit may get painful sore and redness on their lips. Lip biting habit is difficult to break because this behavior is so automatic that a person may no longer be aware of it. However, there are certain effective ways to overcome this bad habit. Now, what causes lip biting? In some cases, physical condition can cause a person to bite their lips when they use their mouth for talking or chewing. In other cases, the cause can be psychological. People may bite their lip as physical response to an emotional state such as stress, fear or anxiety. Physical causes of lip biting includes teeth alignment issues known as malocclusion or misalignment of the teeth. This includes overbite or underbite and can lead to overcrowding of the teeth that we saw last time. We'll give the link of these in the description box. Please read. The next is temporomandibular joint disorders, in which a condition that affects chewing muscles. People with malocclusion or temporomandibular joint disorders may often bite their lips, cheeks or tongue. A dental professional should be able to recommend treatment options which may include dental braces or removing one or more teeth. Now we'll see the psychological causes. Chronic lip biting is one example of a body-focused repetitive behavior or BFRB. This term refers to any repetitive self-directed behavior that damages the skin, hair or nails. BFRBS occurs as a coping mechanism in situation where a person is feeling uncomfortable or anxious. People with BFRB find that repetitive behaviors can provide relief from painful emotions. Relatively few studies have looked at lip biting as a BFRB. Most research has instead focused on the three most common habits, which are hair pulling, skin picking and nail biting. Now we'll see the symptoms. What are the symptoms of lip biting? Some people may not have any side effects from compulsive lip biting, but it will cause certain complications for others, including painful sores on the lips, inflammation or swollen lips, and the last is lip redness. Lip biting is often a compulsive behavior, so a person may not notice the habit until there is already damage to the lips. Now we'll see the treatment. Treatment for lip biting differ depending on the causes. It is possible to treat physical causes such as dental problems by resolving the underlying issue. When lip biting has a psychological cause, many people benefit from counseling or behavioral therapies. Now the treatment for lip biting as a BFRB, that includes cognitive behavioral therapy, that is CBT. CBT is a step-by-step approach that focuses on changing specific behavior by identifying their causes. It also teaches skills that help a person change their behavior and thoughts going forward. The next is habit reversal training, that is HRT, habit reversal training. Habit reversal training is one type of CBT. It is especially effective for BFRBS. There are three key steps in HRT therapy, that is habit reversal training. Number one is doing awareness training so that the people notice their habit when it arises. The second is creating a competing response, which is a different action a person can do when they feel the urge to bite their lip. Third is providing a social support, which can be vital for helping a person overcome anxious habit. Now next is dialectical behavioral therapy, that is DBT. Dialectical behavioral therapy is another option for treating BFRBS, including lip biting. People with BFRBS may lead help regulating emotion such as anxiety. This therapy may be useful for treating the cause behind body focus behaviors. 4 aspects of DBT, that is dialectical behavioral therapy, are: number 1 is mindfulness, next is distress tolerance, then emotion regulation, last is interpersonal effectiveness. Other behavioral therapies that can treat BFRBS includes acceptance and commitment therapy. Now the medication. Some individuals may achieve relief by taking antidepressant and anti-obsessive medication. Medication may be helpful for those who engage in BFRBS and also suffer from anxiety. So friends, understanding the underlying cause of lip biting is an essential way to create an appropriate treatment plan. If the lip biting is leading to an impaired quality of life, a psychologist will be able to recommend the most appropriate treatment. So friends, see you soon with the next video. Till then, bye-bye. Thank you.